Ablade abi mi mfla kemba Chorkor Youth TV. Akebe no ofio le dane. One report keje Chorkor Chamwena. Question in BOG. Ake Chorkor ngofi AFI. Is it true?
Yes, I'll say it's true.
Ake Chorkor ngofi AFI. I don't know. Do you have any reasons why?
Oh, my mama two reasons. Can no ji ke numbonne. Nuku ye kwa ke ake nuesha moku ye Chorkor dam.
Okay, my name is Nia. What's your name?
Richie.
Richard. All right. Okay. So, question in BOG. Ake Chorkor ngofi AFI. Is it true?
Yes, I'll say it's true.
Okay. Mini jinibi komeni hani Chorkor ngofi AFI.
Often I miss my Mario bluff of you.
Banyo mix because gan channel.
I'm a Jenshi Akeshi Mario Ake. Most times say a whole lot of people but me Akeshi. Chorkor is one of the slummiest places in Ghana. But truth be told, Chorkor is one of the safest places you would ever roam in Ghana without any attack or any robbers or any wicked person attacking you without the help of the people in Chorkor. Chorkor, we grew here, we did almost everything. We jumped around, we schooled here. And we never saw some of the things that do go on in those so-called estates. Believe you me, you go to this part of these estates and then the place really smells very bad. Those people coming around to interview or to video the places in Chorkor, they don't come to the good parts of Chorkor. They only visit the bad sides. But Chorkor, let me tell you, Chorkor, you will get here around 3:30 and you will still feel at home. No one is going to disturb you. You will still get something to eat. And if you need help, even if you need a place to stay, no one will assume you're a thief. All they need is your credentials, whether you came and you are really lost, as you are saying. Chorkor is one of the places that you wouldn't want to leave if you stay around.
Oblanu, acho mi ni a imini diogbe.
Afana me ache me Simon.
Mi mfala kemba Chorkor Youth TV.
Oh yeah no.
Ake Chorkor ngofi AFI. I don't know. Do you have any reasons why?
Oh, my mama two reasons. Can no ji Chorkor tafra ko ba bi e no obenu problem. Obenu problem ye bi e ne. Da na ke anytime ba na no. Ekwo nja keke numbonne. Nuku ye kwa ke ake nuesha moku ye Chorkor dam. Yeah, Chorkor living there from. And sound down anytime, day or night. Me mama no ko yin man ke gbe ke anytime no yin gbe ise mo be o se no ku gbe.
You know, we have a whole lot of people that has one way or the other lived in Chorkor and they have moved to other places. They can attest to the fact that when they were living in Chorkor, they escaped the attacks of robbers, thieves that would steal their hard-earned monies or properties. You see, Chorkor is one of the best places and it is the funniest place. You can come around and, you know, you might say we are uncultured, but hey, this is our culture. You hear someone shouting, pardon me to use the word, on your saw me. It is just nothing. Taflache, taflache. To us, it is sometimes an insult. Sometimes it's just a friendly greeting, and no one is going to attack you for saying on your saw me. It is just, even if you bring it to the English term, it is something your mother has, so it is nothing like an insult.
If you Chorkor begbe papaye mami ye he kome ame feel like Chorkor ji koni ame be fale ni ame suke banke ni bi kome esa mini oyo oye mo.
No be kome is true. She aside ni me kome be suke banke ni bi kome ona ke if you are with community fishing community we have Jenny ame be suman we have some life koni. I'm different is so boni or John ha. No so when other people other places in John ha. Beside that, what you make who you mean they are very well educated. We educated people here be me ta fraction in mo be I'm educated. Now cannot mo who educated no Jenny mo fiam on be suban. She have it more community no the living of the character of make the job of people no ha ni sometimes say I feel to more. Life. If you are not by a fishing community, where I can problem no Chorkor.
And we have understood this thing. We are very logical over here. Yes, even though we have people still dumping things, rubbish in other places that makes the place very bad. Yes, this thing doesn't only happen in Chorkor. Even in East Legon, around American House, we have these things. If you go to Accra Mall, just around their roundabout, that place stinks so bad. You go to Airport Second, around the Stanbic Bank, there's similar things around.
Okay.
And Chorkor, if we say we want to organize a communal labor, you wouldn't see people exempting themselves. They push themselves. They always want to be part of the things that are being done in the community. And if you are someone who has ever lived here, or you know anyone that has ever lived here, ask the person that even if you are being thrown out of your house, or you are leaving your compound, the place you live, to another place, don't people help you? We have people that help each other. We are like a family here. And Chorkor is one of the best places you want to stay.
Chorkor is one of the best places you get to stay. Ofane keji mokonkwe Chorkor Youth TV. Mini jingawo obakele about Chorkor.
Bia na o no call me. Ai ma ke wa ke Chorkor ko ba Chorkor no ke Chorkor ngo lele. I side ekole nibi kumi no ba sumo. Efia ye we nibi kumi ni negative and positive. She ejeme. She ko ba Chorkor la nibi apa hu ye bi ni ko ba mo njo mi ba sho he. No juma manya ke bu.
All right.
So I feel about any no in Chorkor.
I would say Akeshi, I've lived in Chorkor for about 20 years.
20 years. Okay. So what is your best advice to people out there about Chorkor in just 20 seconds?
All right. Chorkor is not full of illiterates. In fact, this year alone, we had the whole Ghana, the best WASI students coming from Chorkor. And Chorkor has a lot of first-class students living here. We are good people, we love ourselves, and we always welcome everyone to come tour around this place. Thank you.
What do you do yourself?
I'm a teacher.
Bye.
Profession.
Okay, thank you for having you. Bien on t'a eu less bluffo. And what you go
if you work out charging because when if you work out charging a jacket it's an ink jacket because
yeah
a jacket who blind in what bar okay when you mean ganyo pay the one way more cool mine description not touching oh when what me over here ke oba nchannel no nkwa ke me I'm a Gan patois speaking YouTuber.
yeah.
Boss mo bia na mo fa monta oni ebi ewe bluffo e ko kase ehi ke ete sukue e ba awe bluffo she ko na name machine no make sure ke garçon ni e ba awe ye hia kele ka awe bluffo ke te sukue ba kase bluffo jaka ko onto ni e large ese e won no mi to follow FG ameka me bi je ewe bluffo ko kele nie mami nye Accra Mall nye ANC nye Kempiski whatever ka edamobie to mo 1 meter or 5 meters away ni okele ba repo remogan etonle ko na ka mo na ke yo ikele ya re bluffo alo remo konkura no ko that bowle ake remogan enu organ remogan hani feel proud bona ake ganyo jile